Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. These are our shapes. It is star, rectangle, circle, heart, triangle, hexagon. Now let us trace these shapes. It is black color. Five-pointed star. Rectangle. Circle. Heart. Triangle. Hexagon. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is yellow color. It is green color. This is red color. This is dark green color. This is blue color. This is orange color. Now let us color the shapes. Yellow color. Five-pointed star. Green color. It is rectangle. Blue color. It is circle. Red color. Heart. Orange color. It is triangle. It is green color. This shape is hexagon. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is star. Yellow color is rectangle, light green color. Circle, blue color. Heart, red color. Equilateral triangle, orange color. Hexagon, green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.